Hey there, Leslie here. Well, let's talk about two problem-solving areas, and this is the last in the video series of 3 videos, but this one will be geared toward problem-solving when you're structuring your career, okay? So what I did, and I did this quite by accident. I went into my first job. They were specializing in eminent domain, and you can look up this area of law, and condemnation litigation. So we were preparing for trial, and we worked on behalf of a state agency in Oklahoma. And so there were regular trials coming up. It kept my attorney busy, kept the whole firm busy working for this state agency. But the fact that I understood how to basically prepare for trial enabled me to switch to personal injury for my next job, enabled me to go to a third job where I specialized in franchise law and business law litigation, as well as a couple other areas of law. But the litigation experience in the first job made my career so much more flexible. So when you specialize, remember that you're building something really cool and that you'll be able to move around easier, but you still have to learn about the area of law that you're going into. That's why I tell you to go to my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and get the playbook, because on one page of the playbook, which is under the Paralegal Resources Hub tab on my website, on one of the pages it will show you how to research paralegal duties. I did this time and time again to switch to other areas of law, okay? And I learned how to perform some of those duties. I did my homework. I did my due diligence in order to make that change. And then I had to talk about it in my cover letter and during the interview. The next way is to attend additional training that you pay for. I did this with bankruptcy. I was curious about the bankruptcy field. I ended up working not only in bankruptcy, but on the other side of it for financial institutions with an attorney who represented financial institutions, the banking industry, okay? So I worked on both sides in the bankruptcy world, and for many, many years, for over 10 years. So that's a specialty of mine. So be sure that you think this out, because you need to strategize about how you're going to build your career, and get the playbook. Look under every tab on the website as well. And don't forget to look under courses, because the Paralegal Inner Circle class, Cover Letter Secrets class, is launching this Thursday, September 1st. Join us.